My name is Sebastian Witkowski, Product Manager for Import Loading and Haulage with Komatsu. We're at MINExpo in Las Vegas on the Komatsu show floor. So behind me here is the recently introduced GD955-7, introduced this past January in this calendar year. This motor grader is designed to build and maintain haul roads for truck fleets of 100-ton trucks and up, coming in at just over 104,000 pounds. This is a 50% increase in operating weight over the previous model. So that, coupled with the longer wheelbase extension, gives us the opportunity to achieve best-in-class blade downforce pressure, just to penetrate the hard-packed haul road surfaces and keep our haul roads clean. This is a very large motor grader, but the size does not restrict its maneuverability. This motor grader can execute U-turns on standard 100-ton haul road width roads without the need to fully articulate or fully cut the wheel. One of the new things we've introduced on this motor grader is a bearing-style drawbar circle, which eliminates the need to replace any wear parts or make any play adjustments or shim adjustments. One of the great things about this motor grader is we're sharing similar components across different model platforms. We've got similar tires as our WA300 series, same engine platform as our HM400. The standard offering moldboard for this model is an 18-foot moldboard, and we have got an optional 20-foot moldboard that we're showing on the floor today. The GD955-7 features our fingertip work equipment control. The concept behind this structure here is we've essentially taken the traditional antler rack configuration and brought it back down to the end of our armrest here, just to maintain a more ergonomic feel and control. Underneath my left hand, there's a jog block here that can be used to steer the front tires when low-speed grading. And we also have a steering wheel here for use for high-speed roading that gives customers a little bit more feel and control. So this is all a new refresh, ergonomic, plenty of creature comforts here to make sure we get through long shifts and make sure our operators are comfortable.